Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Huddle Bird here at the Daily Bird, where we give you headline news and zero context behind it. Today is March 23rd, 2021, and we didn't have an episode yesterday because we had some personal issues here at the Daily Bird, but we are back today and we got some headlines for you, so let's get started. Brought to you from our friends from Google News. Y'all already know. Eric Talley, family and colleagues remember police officer slain at Boulder Grocery. Alright, RIP. IRS says stimulus checks will land on March 24th. Today is March 23rd, so wait up for that one, my guy. Senator Dick Durbin calls gun violence a public health crisis at hearing of the wake of the Boulder shooting. Yes, tragedy, thoughts, and prayers. Evanston, Illinois becomes first U.S. city to pay reparations to black residents. Oh, that's actually pretty dope. Evanston. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Get your money, boys. New York nursing home collapses in massive fire, at least one dead. Looks like Governor Cuomo is coming back to finish what he started. I added that last part, not a real headline. Chad Wolf. What a fake fucking name, just saying straight out the bat. Fake name. Chad Wolf. Biden was warned about reckoning Trump border policy. Alright, time for the For You section. Something we enjoy here at the Daily Bird. Apple likely to reimburse Samsung for missing OLED display purchase targets due to poor iPhone 12 mini. Don't know what any of that meant. I think it just meant that newer iPhone is shittier. Boulder shooting. Gunman kills 10, including police officer at King Spooners. I feel like they care more because a cop died compared to when the Asian massage place got shot up. How worn is your Max SSD? Should you be worried? I don't know why that's in my For You section, because I don't care. This 28-year-old earns $378,000 a year on Fiverr and just bought a car for $50,000 cash. Sounds like a real asshole. AstraZeneca vaccine results may have used outdated information as more states make vaccines widely available. Biden eyes $3 trillion package for infrastructure, schools, and families. I don't get why why does it have to be so much money, but then why does it take so long? Not a lot of energy here at the Daily Bird on a Tuesday, March 23rd, but you know what? The world sometimes needs to just take a chill pill and take in all the news. Of which, Cindy Powell tells the court no reasonable person would take her vote for fraud claims as fact. As in, it was all bullshit. Biden's first news conference is a test for him, but it's a bigger test for the White House reporters. Fucking bullshitters. Alright, time for the world. Germany's Merkel extends COVID-19 lockdown, citing threat of third wave. Oh, it looks like there are other countries who are just on a power trip. Hundreds of missing people after Renokia's refugee camp fire. Oh, that sounds unfortunate. China's retaliatory sanctions on EU set stage for how Beijing will respond to other globe powers. Prince Harry is taking on a new job title, Chief Impact Officer at BetterUp. What the hell is BetterUp? I mean, Harry has not had a real job in his life, but that's for a different day. Alright, let's go to our friends at business. Free Krispy Kreme donuts, cash, and even marijuana. Businesses pile on the perks of getting vaccinated. Just reading that headline, I guess you get some places you get cash or weed or being vaccinated. So get your vaccines, everybody. Fed Chair Jerome Powell touts economic growth since stock crash. Ew. Citigroup CEO ordains Zoom-free Friday to ease relentlessness pandemic workdays. Yes, 4-day workdays. Let's get it. Jim Cramer weighs in on concerns over Goldman's junior bankers' workload. Oops, somebody got that one. Alright, let's go to our technology. The $159 OnePlus watch is OnePlus first smartwatch. Wow, what a headline. Microsoft is reportedly in talks to acquire messaging platform Discord for more than $10 billion. Holy shit. Shout out to the boys at Discord for potentially getting that payday. Gmail and other apps are crashing on Android, but there's a fix. Get a fucking iPhone. Nintendo announces new Pokemon AR game for Pokemon Go maker Niantic. Alright, let's go to entertainment. Funny shit here at the entertainment. Regal Cinemas to reopen in April strikes new deal with Warner Bros. David Dobrik says he'll take a break from social media in his second video addressing Vlog Squad's sexual assault allegations. Yes, David Dobrik should be cancelled. He is a freaking weirdo, and all his friends are kind of like dirtbag people. Go back to where you come from. Leave LA. This is to all these douchey YouTubers. Leave LA and go back to Ohio or buttfuck or where the hell you're from, and leave Los Angeles to the hardworking people and the talented people. Jessica Simpson, speaking of talent, Jessica Simpson shares new diary entries about Nick and Vanessa Leahy. I don't even know who those people are. Seth Rogen to play Steven Spielberg's favorite uncle. Steven Spielberg taps Seth Rogen. Alright, now time for sports. If you're interested in any sports, March Madness reseeding ranking the Sweet 16 teams in the men's NCAA tournament based on national title eligibility. The Big Ten is a joke, as Michigan is the conference's lone hope left in the NCAA tournament. NFL Mock Draft 2021, Mel Kipler's new predictions for all 32 first-round picks, including 2 trades, needs for the Patriots, Dolphins, and the Panthers. That one you should probably just go check out yourself. Missed backcourt violations cost number 15. Troy Trojans shot at historic upset in women's NCAA tournament, coach says. Alright. New result for the Large Hadron-Collider challenges leading theory in physics cannot be explained by our current laws of nature. I forgot to mention at the top of there that this is the science section, not that anybody was shitting their pants for it, but I have to read these headlines nonetheless. Bizarre space objects is likely from another solar system, new study says. Scary stuff. Privately funded mission takes off to begin space debris cleanup trials. Space flight now. Looks like they're cleaning up all the junk in space, and to that I say, good. See NASA Mars rover first look at the helicopters tucked into the belly? Don't know. Alright, health. Keep y'all healthy today. They had a mild COVID, and then their serious symptoms kicked in. Pfizer goes at it alone to expand the vaccine business beyond COVID-19 pandemic. Pfizer, let me give you some advice. No one needs your AIDS vaccine. High levels of COVID infection right now could mean problems for vaccine later, ex-CDC chief says, as if I'm going to listen to the ex-CDC chief. Biden administration officials concerned with Johnson & Johnson may not reach 20 million COVID-19 vaccinations target by the end of the month. Wow, that was Fauci saying that he doesn't think that they're gonna get 20 million vaccines, which, I mean, come on, 20 million, 18 million, what's the difference? Alright. Well, guys, unfortunately, it is the end of the podcast. We are done for headlines, but we do a bird joke of the day here at the Daily Bird, and it would be wrong if I didn't give them to you. So, again, brought to you from our friends from funology.com. Let's read our bird joke of the day. Alright. I feel like I've read all these. Okay. How did the bubblegum cross the road? On the bottom of the chicken's foot. Ooh, ha ha. Wow. Wowdy wow. Well, guys, I'm Huddle Bird. This is the Daily Bird. Have a wonderful fucking day.